Now, we'll look at another way to find an interactive floor plan. At the top of our webpage, find the Neighborhoods tab, located under New Home Finder. Then, find the neighborhood you'd like to get more information on. Here we'll use the Meadows at Longview in Collegeville, Pennsylvania. Scroll down to Home Plans and pick the home plan of your choosing. When you scroll down, you'll see 3 options below a video walkthrough. Select Interactive Floor Plan. This will bring you to that neighborhood's specific home plan. Now you know how to find it. Thanks for watching.